Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to change toner cartridges, 4 of them, in a Canon i-SENSYS mf280 no FM is mf8280cw. It's a color machine. So now the reason why we're changing this, it's saying this. It's the end of toner cartridge life, black. It's not even only black, but all the colors. So what we're gonna do, we're going to you come and press here, do like this. Okay, I'm sorry about the noise outside here. You press this, it comes here, you slide them off. So yellow starts there, magenta second, blue, then you're gonna have black. So I'm gonna take out. What you do, you press this, you touch this and press this like this. Take one out. Okay, remember that is black. What you do, once you take one out, if you haven't been much of a person who's doing this much, then you got to get your black and put it in there first before you mix things. You can see I brought my toners into the thing. So each toner is labeled. So this should be our black. And look the way it faces, sits in like this. Okay, black is done. So we're going to look for blue. We take our blue. Then it faces this side. We take this. Okay. Then we look for magenta color. Take it out. Then we look for magenta this side. Put it in like this. Then we look for yellow. Take out yellow. Put yellow that side. Then we put in yellow here. Okay. So yellow looks, they all face that side. You can see this face this side, this face this side on each and every cartridge. After, let me try to slide them in. I see what's gonna read. Okay. After, you can see no paper, no whatever. It's not telling you that nonsense anymore. So I'm gonna get some clean papers here. Okay. Slide the tray down. Put in the papers. Put the tray. Close it. After closing that, we can see if there is something to print, to copy. Yes, we got something to copy, but I don't like this. I'm not happy with that. I'm going to get what can I get? I need to get, guys, something we call color stuff. Hope my stuff doesn't fall. I need something colorful. Get you, there's a book here. Okay, I'm gonna make this book. Okay, after that, I'm gonna close and tell the machine, look, I need color. You know, there are two, black and color. So this one is color. I'm pressing that. Okay. It's taking time, but it's gonna copy. It's saying copying, so let's give it a chance. Still reading everything because this is the first time I put these new toners. But once all that is done, the second operation is going to be quicker. It's going to make copies quicker, faster, and all that. Now it's copying. Taking longer, let me see. The process, let me see, scan, print, fax. Okay. Well, could be the pickup rollers or what. Oh, it did copy. Wow, it made a very beautiful color. But I wonder why it brings some dirt here by the end here. But to be honest, it made a very beautiful color image. Very, very beautiful. Yo, I'm so happy, glad about the color. I'm gonna make it black and white also. You see, when you get a picture like this, it takes a lot of color than anything else. But the machine is 100% fine. You can see here, it never made anything like at the sides. You can see two colors, two things here. This one, when it was making color, it made bluish, and here it made a good black and white, right? Okay, that's right, that's fine. I hope that helped, guys. Those who wants to change toners, you just press here and pull it out. Then you take out that. But for now, everything is fine for us. So yeah, I hope that helps, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And if you have something you want to know, please, I want to see you in the next video also. I want you to see you as a subscriber. I want to see you asking questions if you have some. Yeah, hope to see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.